Hey everyone, welcome back. So yesterday I dropped a video and I was gonna create another video next week, well, the end of this week, but what inspired me to create this video was the email that I got this morning from Fundingpips about, let me just show it to you guys. Apparently we're transitioning from, for those who are using Fundingpips and using TradeLocker, is gonna migrate over to matchtrader. I'm not very familiar with matchtrader, but I've heard of them. I was hoping that Trade Locker is something that we can just use long term, but unfortunately, it looks like the time's up. I'll share my screen to show you guys the email. I received this email at 9 a.m. EST this morning. I just looked at it about an hour ago, and I want to update you guys. They gifted us about a 5K account, like a 5K challenge account, which is it's great. They put a hold on the 50K challenge that I had bought yesterday. And I think it's like a 48-hour pause before they transition us from the trade locker to the match trader. I really am not motivated in any type of way to use the match trader account, but sometimes, when it comes to doing business, you gotta make changes. I'll show you guys how it looks on the match trader. All right, here's the match trader. This is how it looks. I'm not even sure since the market's not open, I'm not even sure if it'll show you like the percentage. How the great thing that I like about TradeLocker is that you don't have to go to FX like calculator, I think that's what it's called, or FX my FX book. You don't have to go to my FX book to calculate your risk. Everything is pretty much on TradeLocker. I'm not sure if Match Trader is similar to where when you're entering, you can lower your stop loss and then it shows you the percentage on how much you're risking, and what your reward is when you put your TP at the price that you want it, your direction to go in. But I'm not really a fan of Match Trader. I like my first platform that I used was MetaTrader 4. I would take MetaTrader 4 over Match Trader any day, but unfortunately, I think in the US, MetaTrader 4 is no longer with us. So that's my take on these things. This is the 5K account. I purchased my 50K account yesterday with Fundingpips, but this 5K account was just a gift just because of the inconvenience. So, I mean, that's good. We got two different accounts to trade off of, I guess. I'll still take advantage. I'm not gonna, not use it just because we're on Meta Match Trader now. I am looking at, I'll show you guys what the markup is for this week. So this is my gold bucket. I'll let you guys see my gold bucket. Gold bucket for the week. All right, so we're looking at the daily range and daily range on NASDAQ, daily range on US 30, daily range USDJPY, daily range on AUDJPY. So these are my markups for the week. I'm obviously not going to take every trade that gets to these levels. I have to see what price does in these levels in order to see if it makes sense to take the trade or not. And I'm no longer taking a USD JPY, an AUD JPY, a NZD JPY trade, just because price is going into an important key level in the market for these three different pairs. Since they're all JPY pairs, I'm not gonna just place a trade in each currency, USD, AUD, and NZD, just because they have the JPY at the end. I'm gonna see which one has the best entry signal for me personally. And then I'll only focus on that one pair. I'm not gonna focus on all three, just one out of the three. I know most likely we're gonna get a setup on one of these three JPY pairs this week. Now it's a matter of which one presents the best entry, the best risk to reward. I look mainly for a 1 to 3 risk to reward at least. If I can't get a 1 to 3, I'm not gonna trade it. So we're gonna see what happens, and I'll update you guys on my next video. And that was USD, CHF, GBP, NZD. I might take this risk to reward right now. It looks like a 1 to 5, but it could be a 1 to 4 instead, possibly even a 1 to 3. So at least a 1 to 3 and at most a 1 to 5. This is silver. So if silver drops back down to this level, it's a daily structure. It'll be a 1 to 10, about a 1 to 10. Because as you can see, silver this week, it already did a break of structure. And what could possibly happen is we can get a push down into this key level here, and price might push up and create new highs. So this is a possibility that I'm looking out for this week. I mean, actually, this week it could just go down from external to internal and then internal to external. US oil, we're looking at the daily range is, where's the daily range? Rush. This is the daily range. So we could be looking at price to hit in this zone right here and then push down. Risk to reward for this is a 1 to 4 ratio, GBP, JPY. This is a 1 to 3. The daily is bullish, range bullish. Now, if we look on the smaller time frame, price took out this Asian level here. There's an Asian level here. Price took it out. And then 15-minute time frame, you can see price created a left head, right shoulder potential. I'm waiting for price to get into this area, and you can see the 30-minute time frame. It could, fall around this EMA for the 30-minute time frame. So most likely this is what we're going to be looking at for this week. I have my alerts for each of the pairs. So this is all the pairs that I'm looking at for this week. This is a JPY pair, so JPY, JPY, move this here. Yeah, so you'll see that from my A plus trades, I'll have it as risk of 10%, and my my setups that are like I would grade it as a B. I'm gonna risk about 5%. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I might actually do another video on typically how I trade. So my personal strategy that I use. Um, I have I have studied how ICT trades a little bit, and I have studied a little bit about how the support and resistance traders are trading. So I kind of did a combination of both. But yeah, stick along and let's see how this week goes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.